Hello, my name is Michael. So today I will give you troubleshooting of max temp and min temp. So the main reason is the thermistor is too tight. The thermistor here inside is too tight. So we increase the temperature to 300 or 267. So read max temp. What you need to do is to check thermistor, try to lose it. Okay, so when we lose it, we'll see the temperature comes to normal temperature, 26 degrees. So what we need to do is to power off, and then power on again. And right now the heat top is ready. Thank you for watching.